Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use and download motion array After Effects templates, okay? I show you in other tutorials, in other long tutorials, how you can install them and kind of customize them better, but I'm just going to show you here how you can download them. It's actually pretty easy. I just want you to go to motionarray.com, then go to the video templates section, and then go to Adobe After Effects in here. Now you're gonna have a lot of different sections that you can use for your videos. You have like your openers, your lower thirds, your typography, and things like that, okay? And you can even filter them using keywords. For example, you can say something like, I don't know, minimalist, or colorful, or rainbow, or things like that. Or like grand, it's a lot of things, a lot of different keywords that you can use to kind of make the style suitable to you. Also like comic, there's a lot of different keywords. So yeah, so once you have your preferred template, just click on the actual template and just click on download, and this is going to download a zip file that you have to extract. Okay, and now it's very simple, guys. You're just going to have to import the AEP file. That is the Adobe After Effects projects. Okay, so just open it using After Effects, and now you can customize it. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.